Wonderland Lake.
No.
Over there. Hopefully I don't get a ticket, but let's go. Don't get too close to the grass. See the little red thing in the sky? And the green thing? People are like paragliding or parachuting. I don't know what that is.
Wow! I've never seen one, Daddy.
Dang. Must be nice to have a freaking lake in your backyard. Big ass houses. The water's like super clear. I can see through it right now. Little creek. Don't see no fish though. See any fishes? Any guppies? Little bird.
I think the bird's taking a shower and trying to look for bugs.
Come on. And walk it that way? Freaking grass is so high. What? You can only fish. You can only fish off the shore. You can't go in the water and fish like on a boat. Just walk from over there. I'm gonna show you guys this experience. Imagine walking and like see the mountain, the lake. Look how clear the water is, dude. Super clear. You got a little shore. Too bad you can't go swimming. It's like a lot of plant and stuff though.
So clear.
Look at that. Damn. Right here doesn't look that deep though. Oh look, you see a bass. Right there, look. Look, a baby one. Right there, look. Look where I'm pointing. You see it? There's 2, 3. There's babies.
Oh God. He's a bass.
I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera.
Daddy, do you want to go tell them?
Yeah, I don't see if they can catch it.
I'm trying to make it.
It's because there's kids fishing over there. I want to see if you guys see the fish in the water? Hold your brother real fast. Hold him. Let me get it better. Look, over there too.
What?
Careful, Nani.
Look, baby. Look, fishy. Fishy.
You guys see that? Look at that. They're just sitting there chilling.
Fishy.
Look at that. Damn, that's what I like to see. All the fish.
Ah!
Damn. It's a lot of bluegill. Damn. I don't think you can fish off here though.
Daddy, do you want to go tell them?
I'm gonna probably record them.
Okay.
Nice. Look at the fish jumping. Look at this. Nothing but fish. All that. See those dots?
God, that's
Dang. That's crazy. You guys see that?
Dang.
Let me get a better view.
Oh my God. Daddy. I've never seen a
Look at that.
thing this clear. But all of these fishes right here.
All of them.
God, there's a whole trail. Dad, do you want to meet me?
Look at all the bluegills. You see the water? Like, splashing.
Oh my god.
Look at that bass.
What's up?
Yeah, I'm gonna come back here for sure. With a rod.
So it seems the fish that I'm actually trying to catch right now, these little ones are like really small, like really, really small.
Here you caught another. Yeah, it's kind of like a mix.
I didn't even come on, look, fishing. Look, he has fishing too.
He caught one?
Which fish do you want?
Oh.
That fish or the other fish?
Let's see.
Oh, that one's big, Daddy.
What'd you catch? Is it bass? No, another sunfish. Yeah, it's pretty big.
No, right? Look right there. You can just see it swim.
Little,
Yeah, see that one's a different color. Watch your hands. Ooh, the spikes.
you're gonna get spined.
God.
You only flatfish? Just have a flat rod.
Careful. You know how to do it?
Yeah.
You want to help him out?
Need help? I know.
Just kind of like squeeze it hard from the top so that the fins don't come up.
You're gonna get spined.
Yeah, those things hurt.
Yeah. Cut your hand real bad. And there's poisonous spines.
Oh yeah.
Bluegill and sunfish have poisonous spines, so if it spines you, it's gonna swell up and then trip your ER. You can get diseases like the salmon or whatever.
Salmonella.
Salmonella. Yeah.
Alright, you got
Careful, mama.
stuck really bad.
Here, let me see. Oh, there's a fly right there. Let me see. Did you get flies up?
Huh?
You get the flies up there? Yeah. Don't worry, it's not dead. Just
Just has to revive. Need a little doggy in the water.
Daddy. Daddy.
Yeah, that was good. Good fish.
Just sitting there.
Seems like the bigger ones are biting, not the small ones. But he caught a small one too. Just careful when you hold it because they have spikes. And they'll poke you.
Come here. Now.
Look at that, man. Wow, that's so nice. I'm gonna just, next time I'm gonna come, put a chair right here. And just chill. And just catch all these little babies. It doesn't get deep till like all the way down there. But they say we're only allowed to fish from right here, I think. Because they got all that tall grass around it.
Over there.
Can't really stay long because they're so bad. Stand right here.
White water.
Arani, come on.
Oh, there's one dark one right just
Yeah.
right here. Come here, fishy. This fish just right there.
Here's your sister.
I don't need to.
You see the fish he ate? I have to carry him. I don't have a stroller yet. Oh, you see the fish? You see it?